the only one. I hope someday you will join us, and the world will live as one.
Surely go.
So we're now in Hofgarten. It's actually the day after, or the morning after Peter's 40th. So here's Betty and Birgit just getting some tickets. They're going to go skiing, and the small boss and I are going to go up and have a bit of lunch. So this is one of the old chairs that would have been used on the ski lifts. And here is the new chairlift system, or a few years old now. We're going to go right up to the top. Okay, so here's our gondola.